El Campanario is the most impressive residential development in the state of Querétaro and an elite project in the center of the country. Located in the northeast of the city, El Campanario is situated on a plateau surrounded by ravines. With this privileged location, we have spared no efforts to create a unique and special environment because we believe in the details and we have taken on the task of finding the best options in order to provide you and your family the quality of life, comfort, and style you're looking for. El Campanario has a surface of 1,853 acres divided into 5 zones. Zone 1 is our framework for access, and this is where there is a project to develop a major shopping, services, and residential area. Zone 2 is the urban lobby, so to say. Here, you will find shopping areas as well as residential lots beginning at 3,250 square feet, equipped with all the services that distinguish El Campanario. Zone 3 was our beginning. Here, we have part of the residential development as well as one of the best golf courses in Mexico. Zone 4 and Zone 5 are also important parts of the project and are in various stages of development. At El Campanario, you will mostly find residential lots from 6,500 up to 13,500 square feet. We have 126 acres of green areas, 218 acres of golf course, 7.5 miles of 6-lane primary roads, and educational institutions and services of international quality. The project. The infrastructure of El Campanario begins with our land. Here, we make the best of the topographic characteristics of the place, for normally unpaved roads are supported on solid ground that is located at a depth of 24 inches on average. On these grounds, we have built the residential development, always basing ourselves on a building code. This is how we take care of the architectural language of El Campanario, always maintaining the harmony of all our views. The unpaved systems are built with material provided by dirt banks that fully comply with the regulations of the Secretariat of Communications and Transport. Our avenues range from 33 feet wide in interior streets up to 315 feet, as is the case of the main entrance, and they are built with a harmonious combination of asphalt, paving stone, porphyry, and cobblestone. El Campanario has hidden its entire electrical infrastructure. This is accomplished through pad-mount transformers, giving each lot an available charge of 6.25 kVA. This is how we are able to respect the important harmony of our landscapes, while at the same time complying with all the specifications of the Federal Electricity Commission. Our telephone system is also an underground utility distributed through phone PVC, varying from 1 3/4 of an inch up to 3 inches as required. This is how we achieve first-class communication facilities, liberating our streets from cables and telephone poles. With regard to the residential water supply, it is unique in its capabilities. We own our own water well within the development. This well feeds a storage tank of 53,000 cubic feet, and from here, a network distributes pressurized water to all deposits of each lot. El Campanario currently has the rights to use 28,252,000 cubic feet per year, in addition to having an alternate well. This is with regards to tap water, for we also have a water treatment system to supply the lots, lakes, the irrigation of green areas, and the golf course. The integral water treatment system begins its supply at the raw water lift station located in the center of the city. From there, water is sent by means of a supply line that reaches our processing plant. At this plant, water is subjected to several processes, each of these operating with leading-edge technology and with the most rigorous quality standards. Once the processes have been completed, the water is ready for distribution to each lot as well as to the sprinkler system. Tanks, pumping equipment, PVC pipes with satellite irrigation and drip irrigation zones integrate this system with which we supply lots, green areas, lakes, and the golf course. Our storm drainage network also allows us to harness rainwater through the use of storm drains located on the roadways. This is how we capture water and we send it via PVC tubing for discharge into our lakes. The wastewater system was also designed following the highest quality standards. Pipes made of high-density polyethylene create a strong drainage network that complies with all the specifications of the State Water Commission and gives El Campanario one more service of international quality. All our services are of the highest degree of engineering and design. But what is most important for us at El Campanario are our families. That is why we have developed a foolproof security system comprised by security cameras, perimeter fences, and the reliable surveillance staff, which is always attentive to every corner of the residential development. El Campanario is an internationally renowned project. This can only be achieved by bringing the quality of our services to the highest standards. The landscape work is a testament to this vision. We work with a spirit of total conservation of the environment, combining native species with species resistant to the weather conditions in the area. We care about building an ecological balance for our project, and that is why we follow a strict pest control and sometimes transplant trees to create a beautiful, interesting, and harmonious ecosystem. It is with this perspective that we design the green areas, recreational areas, medians, roundabouts, and lakes. Thinking about our children, we have devoted considerable space to playgrounds. Here, they will find playground equipment, sandboxes, and large gardens to play without any risk on the streets. In order to promote sports and the social coexistence of our residents, we created on an area of 86,000 square feet a beautiful clubhouse where our members can carry out various activities to enrich their lives. Of our sports facilities, the best known is probably our international category Par 72 18-hole golf course designed by Von Hag, Smellick, and Barrel. This course is one of the most played in the Bajío region due to its excellent location and great challenges. All the experience and success of Grupo Nurban guarantee the quality of El Campanario. This Mexican group is a guarantee of quality and added value that ensure a good investment. Their developments are characterized by their aesthetic value, capital gain, and harmonious integration with the environment. They have always been allied with first-class commercial partners. In each of its projects, Grupo Nurban has formed a strong, profitable work team. From internationally renowned firms creators of golf courses to the most reliable and modern urban developers are present to always offer concrete and admirable results. We have created incredible residential developments such as El Molino in León, Punta Tiburón in Veracruz, and Andares in Guadalajara. They all share a quality that distinguishes us: excellence. El Campanario is a development that is unique in the region. We have taken care of every detail to create an unforgettable experience. The experience of being part of a lifestyle that allows you to savor every moment. El Campanario. Come. You'll want to stay.